What's up, guys? Today, we're back with the easiest protein pancake recipe you'll ever make, Scrambled Edition. Not only is this one quick, but it's almost impossible to mess up. So let's jump right into it. On the topic of pancakes, what's your favorite thing to either add into or on top of your pancakes? Drop it in the comments below. First and foremost, why would you scramble a pancake?
I'm freaking out, man.
Two reasons, for me at least. Number one, it's easier, takes less time, and is basically foolproof. Number two, my biggest reason is to change up the texture. You still get the awesome macros, but can add the scramble into anything you want, which we'll cover at the end of the video. To start this, we'll be making some oat flour with 1 cup of rolled oats in either a blender or food processor. If you already have oat flour, skip this step. From here, add that into a mixing bowl, followed by 1 scoop of protein powder, some optional sweetener, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 large whole egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 ounce of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. You can mix and match your Greek yogurt and protein powder flavors here to easily switch up the flavor. I'll put a bunch of my favorite variations and the metric conversions for all the ingredients here on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Give those ingredients a mix until they're smooth like this. You don't want your mix to be too thin, but if it's too thick, add in a little bit more milk. Next, take out a stovetop pan, turn your burner on medium heat, and coat it with some nonstick cooking spray. Once it heats up, add in your mix and let it cook for a couple minutes as you would a pancake. Once it rises and starts to bubble, it's time to scramble it by breaking it up. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips to this one. Number one, you can easily double or triple the recipe as needed. Number two, it tastes great cold or reheated if you're taking it with you on the go. And number three, pancake scramble bowls. Add in fresh fruit, nuts, sugar-free syrup, chocolate, Greek yogurt, or anything else you want. This is my favorite thing to do with this recipe. There's endless variations. Now, speaking of add-ins, something you wouldn't use in this recipe is the pasta from our last Testing Your Guesstimating. The winner of that was, bang, congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many blueberries. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams, and the first one closest to it will win a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.